Hello, this is Riku Rimpelä from Trainingson's Help Desk. This time talking about using force as a coaching tool. Earlier we discussed about the details, how to use force measurements in the details of the stroke level on those 0.1 second details that make the difference. And that's where the changes happen, but it's good to have a higher level abstraction on the force data also, just to keep it in context and understand the bigger picture on the swimming dynamics. And the way it has been useful to think it is that when the swimmer spins the machine, so they are swimming, how much are they able to get efficient power out of the system? So that when they spin their machine and they increase the speed, how does it impact on the power they are able to create, the efficient power they are able to create on each of the stroke cycles. And the fact is that the faster they move their hand, the harder it becomes to control those 0.1 second details. And a useful way of illustrating it has been through the simple coordinates having the frequency and then the efficient power on it. And when they increase the frequency, what happens is that it behaves something like that. So initially when they increase the speed of the hand, they are still in control, but then the higher they go to their threshold values, the less they are able to create efficient force and efficient power. And this can be called as a survival limit. So after that, they are not in control of not at all in control what they do, and they start to really drop in the efficiency. And another thing that can be done with the SmartPaddle is to make visible that what happens with the left and the right hand. And in many cases, it looks like this, that none of the swimmers is symmetric, and it makes visible the other threshold value, which is the control limit. So until which point they are totally in control what they do, and after that one, then the changes start to develop, and then after the survival limit, then they are not at all in control what they do. And this is actually this power that they are able to apply to the forward direction. It's the one that defines the swimming speed. And with this tool and this simple illustration, you will be able to start seeing the overall dynamics of their swimming, and also start predicting that with this level of efficiency and this transfer to the swimming speed, what should they be able to do to achieve the targets that they have? Which provides them the tool over the season that if you're currently here with your efficiency, is it enough to keep the same efficiency and just improve the endurance of the machine? Or what kind of a jump you need to do in the efficiency to make the targets accessible? So define that which of those 0.1 details, 0.1 second details, and how much they need to be changed in order to make the targets achievable. And then you can start progressing against the targets. And this is what the progress will then look like, that it's never linear. But with this kind of a coordinates and concepts, you will be able to train with the sense for the essential all the time, understand that where the swimming dynamics are, what's happening for the efficiency of the swimming, and in that way you are able to optimize the transfer of training. Thank you for listening.